I grew up in the 70s. So in 1 year, my old man's business did quite well. We went to France. We all had the same first-time experience in this amazing place, in this valley of olive trees, nestled at the foot of this bauxite cliff with a monastery on top of it.
Wow.
And there was this gravel, old Provençal farmhouse with like a gravel terrace. And I remember there's so many things about it, like sommelier, handlebar moustache, leather apron, little tastavan, the wine list the size of a billboard, cheese trolley the size of a chariot, pouring sauces into soufflés, carving laser lamb at the table. I remember the noise of the feet of the waiting staff crunching on the gravel, and the sound of the crickets filled the air, I didn't realise at the time, but it was smell of lavender. And all of these things, it was like I'd fallen down this rabbit hole into a wonderland. So I realised this is what I wanted to do.
Don't be modest, don't be afraid, don't let your dreams slip away. It's determination, using your gift. Everybody has a gift. Never give up, never put down. Trust your instincts, no slip away. Nothing to lose. So just go, just go, just go. It's amazing, it's amazing, all that you can do. It's amazing, makes my heart sing. Now it's up to you. It's amazing, all that you can do. It's amazing, makes my heart sing. Now it's up to you.
So this stuff is there for everyone to sort of appreciate. I've just been mindful about it.